In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bolt new tools to GitHub. By the end, you'll have your Bolt new project securely connected to your GitHub account, so you can collaborate, track changes, and manage your code with ease. First, open your browser and head over to Bolt.new, the AI builder for websites, apps, and prototypes. Give the page a moment to load. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, you should see your projects on the dashboard. Next, open the project you want to connect. Clicking your project will launch the editor and load your files, preview, and toolbars. Take a second to confirm you're in the right project because the GitHub connection you're about to make will apply to this one. Inside the project interface, look for the GitHub logo. It's typically shown in the toolbar or side panel where integrations live. Click that logo to start the connection flow. This opens a small panel guiding you through the process. In that panel, click Login to GitHub. Your browser will redirect you to GitHub's secure authorization page. If you use multiple GitHub accounts, double-check which one is currently signed in so you connect the correct profile or organization. On the authorization screen, you'll see a prompt to authorize StackBlitz. That's expected. Bolt.new uses StackBlitz under the hood for development and GitHub sync. Review the requested permissions, make sure they match what you're comfortable granting, and select the appropriate organization if asked. When you're ready, click Authorize to continue. GitHub may then ask you to verify via email as an extra security step. Choose the email verification option. Keep your browser tab open and switch to your email inbox. If you don't see the message right away, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folders. When the email arrives, copy the verification code and return to the GitHub tab. Type your verification code exactly as shown and submit it to confirm. Never share verification codes with anyone. These are meant just for you. After verification, you'll be routed back to your Bolt.new project. The GitHub panel should now indicate that you're connected and you're ready to proceed with your usual GitHub workflows from within Bolt.new. If something doesn't look right, confirm you authorize the correct account, that you have repo permissions in your organization, and that any required single sign-on is active. You can always revoke and reauthorize later from your GitHub settings if needed. That's it. Your Bolt.new tools are now linked to GitHub, and you're set up for a smoother, more collaborative development process.